Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, we will write an emotional letter to favorite teacher on Teacher's Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Dear Khan Sir, on this Teacher's Day, I am obliged to express my heartfelt gratitude for your firm guidance and mentorship. Your dedication to teaching goes beyond the classroom. It's an inspiration that has shaped my journey. Your ability to make even the most complex concepts simple and your unwavering support during my struggles have left an indelible mark on me. You have not only imparted knowledge but also implanted in me a love for learning and a belief in my potential. Your patience, encouragement, and the way you have believed in me, even when I doubted myself, have been my guiding light. You have not just been a teacher, you have been a friend, a motivator, and a beacon of light. Your classroom is a harbor of inspiration where I learned not just subjects but also life lessons. Your words of wisdom echo in my mind, guiding me through my challenges. Having you as my teacher is one of the greatest gifts I have ever received. My life would not be the same without you. I am lucky to have you as my teacher. Thank you for everything. Happy Teacher's Day, sir. With deep respect and gratitude, write your name.